In this video guide, I will share with you how to use Asda promo codes. So if you want to use the promo codes or discount, follow me in this video. Go to Asda, this is official website. Select your product you want to buy. For example, I have this checkout. Click on this checkout from here. After that, you will redirect it to this page. From here, you can add another item here. Click continue with this checkout. So write your postcode or postal codes and house name. From the collect option, you can write your promo codes. So if you have a promo codes, you can apply here. Go to Google, search for Asda promo codes, click the first website, and then you will redirect it to this page. From here, you have two options. You can get directly this deal from here. This one, you can use your promo codes, continue with this offer, or you can show this code. Just click show, copy, and paste here this one. So this is the second method. The first method you can directly use as the promo codes from this website. So from here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.